Hello everyone, I am Manibha Sharma. Today we are going to learn about teeth and types of teeth. So, look at your teeth in the mirror. Do all the teeth are similar? No, all the teeth are not similar. Teeth in man are present in both the jaws. When teeth are embedded in deep bone of jaw socket, so that condition is known as thicodont, as you can see in the picture. So here you can see that the tooth embedded in jaw socket and the condition is thicodont. So when we are talking about the development of tooth are described in two sets, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Any animal with two successive set of tooth is known as the diphyodont. Example in human being. So when we are talking about the milk teeth are also be known as the temporary teeth. And it starts after 6 months of birth and appear between 6 to 24 months. Milk teeth are smaller, weaker, and after the 24 months and after the 24 months, milk teeth are replaced by the permanent teeth. By the permanent teeth. And so that's all about the teeth, and now we are going to the types of teeth. Types of teeth. Lower jaw also have a similar structure as we can see in the case of upper jaw. So it is clear that the teeth are of four types. First one type is incisor, second one is canine, third one is premolar, and fourth one is molars. So when we are talking about these incisor, so these are also be known as cutting teeth, and they are sharp and present in the front of the jaw. In each jaw we have four incisor, or in each half of a jaw we have two incisor. When we are talking about canine, this is canine and it is used to eat the flesh. Just outside the incisor, a single canine is present in each jaw. ओके, सो जब भी हम चिकन खाते हैं तो हम इन्हीं कैनाइन्स का यूज़ करते हैं, तो इसलिए हम इसको टीयरिंग टीथ भी कहते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रीमोलर्स, so in each half of jaw there is two premolars, as you can see, 1 and 2 in each half of jaw. Okay, and molars in each half of jaw there are three molars is present, 1 2 3. So and the premolars and molars are collectively known as the cheek teeth. And now I can start how to learn the dental formula of milk teeth and permanent teeth. सो डेंटल फार्मूला लिखने से पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि डेंटल फार्मूला हमें बता क्या रहा है. So the dental formula is the number and arrangement of teeth in one half of each jaw. ये हमें बताता है कि हर एक जॉ के हाफ साइड में कितने नंबर ऑफ टीथ प्रेजेंट है. सो जैसे हमें पता है कि परमानेंट टीथ की जो नंबरिंग है वो 32 है. अगर हम टोटल टीथ की बात करते हैं तो परमानेंट टीथ है 32. एंड अगर हम मिल्क टीथ की बात करें तो मिल्क टीथ के जो नंबर है वो 20 है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डेंटल फॉर्मूला इन परमानेंट टीथ. 2 1 2 3. 2 हमने क्या देखे कि 2 थे हमारे पास इंसीजर. कैनाइन हमारे पास 1. प्री मोलर थे हमारे पास 2 एंड मोलर थे हमारे पास 3 इन द केस ऑफ परमानेंट टीथ. तो अब हम इसे लिखते हैं 2 1 2 3 अपॉन वंस अगेन 2 1 2 3 इंटू 2 एंड इसे कैलकुलेट करना है. 2 + 1 3 + 2 5 + 3 8 8 + 2 10 + 1 11 + 2 13 + 3 16 16 into 2 which is equal to 32. So total number of permanent teeth is 32 in the case of mammals, and monkey have also the permanent teeth. The numbering is same 32. So dental formula in the case of milk teeth, they have 2 incisor, 1 canine, premolar is absent 0 and molars are 2 in present. 2 1 0 2. Once again 2 1 0 2 into 2. 2 + 1 3 + 0 + 2 upon 2 + 1 + 2. So 2 + 1 3 3 + 2 5 5 + 2 7 7 + 1 8 8 + 2 10 10 into 2 which is 20. So milk teeth are 20 which is present in the chart. So everything I told you in a very simple way. That's all for today. Thanks and keep watching.